Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best airplane stroller you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many airplane stroller and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each airplane stroller so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an airplane stroller. When choosing one, focus on its weight and foldability because airlines have strict size limits and you'll need something easy to carry through airports. Check if it's compatible with overhead bins or can be quickly gate checked. Comfort and safety matter too, so look for a sturdy frame, secure harness, and good wheel suspension for smooth rides. Storage space is helpful for keeping baby essentials handy, but make sure it doesn't make the stroller bulky. Also, consider the materials. Durable fabrics and easy-to-clean padding are essential for travel convenience. Finally, always confirm airline regulations before flying, since stroller policies may differ. Picking the right airplane stroller ensures stress-free travel with your little one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.